guys, and we're back again with another week of the school lunches. So we're going to be seeing what Damarion is taking or what he is eating for lunch today. And he's going to have these pretzels. They are the garlic parmesan pretzels. And then he's going to have a blueberry bagel with cream cheese, pickles and carrots. Now I packed the carrots in here before, but he was not eating them. But when I ate these carrots, and also he wasn't eating the pickles when I ate these over the weekend, he wanted to eat mine. So we're going to see if he eats these. And then we have some oranges, and he has the new flavor that, well, it's probably not a new flavor, but he is going to be trying the strawberry, Busy Buzzy strawberry from the Chobani smoothie drink. And Damara is going to have the caramel mini churro dips, and she's going to be eating turkey breast with turkey pepperoni. And I'm trying to get rid of all this fruit that we have. So she's gonna have, there's strawberries in there, regular grapes, and cotton candy grapes. And then she will take some garlic pretzels in her juice. And Damarion's gonna have his little water juice. And we'll see you guys when they get back. Okay guys, we're back, and we're gonna see how Damara did today for her lunch. So she, of course, always drinks her juice. And here she had the garlic parmesan pretzels. I would say she ate about, I don't know, she ate a little bit, I guess. And here she had her fruit, and she ate all that. Here she had her turkey, so she ate half of that because she ate most of the pepperoni in one of the turkeys' breast lunch meat. So that's what she did. Damarion ate his bagel sandwiches. He ate basically all his pretzels except two. His yogurt. He ate all his, what did he have here? His oranges. And then I think I'm just going to not give him any more pickles or carrots because I don't think he likes them. Even though when I'm eating them, he wants to eat them. Do any of y'all kids do that? When y'all eating something, they'll want it. But then when you give it to them on their own, in their own little dish, they don't want to eat it. And then, yeah, so he did pretty good today, I would say, minus these carrots and pickles. So we will see you guys tomorrow for what they're taking in their lunch. Good morning, you guys, and today is Tuesday. And Damarion will be having the white cheddar cheese crackers, some smoked sausage, hot dogs with cheese, and then he'll have granola and chocolate covered pretzels and peanuts, a couple of apples and dip, and then he'll have his yogurt smoothie, and that is what he'll eat today for lunch. Damara is sick, so she will not be taking a lunch. She will probably be eating soup today. So that is what they're having, and we'll see you guys later. So 100%. What's today? Wednesday? Okay guys, we're back, and today is Wednesday, and Damarion is going to be having his Honest Juice. It's the Berry Berry Good Lemonade. And then he has his strawberry smoothie yogurt. He's going to have some grapes, some cucumbers, and raisins. And he has these peanut butter and jelly sandwiches and some apple iced raisin cookies. Are these what these are? Oh, they're apple iced oatmeal cookies. So that is what he will be having for lunch. Okay, and Damara will be having a spicy mustard chicken wrap with lettuce and cheese. And she has her chips and then some fudge dipped mini Oreo bites. And wherever her juice is, that's what she'll be having. Okay, so we'll see what they ate when they get back. Okay, guys, today is Thursday, and this is what the kids will be taking in their lunch. And this is just a quick lunch because I did not pack it the night before. So Damarion will have his flavored water, his yogurt, of course. He really likes these. He likes the strawberry ones better than the cookies and cream. And he will have strawberry applesauce, cucumbers, pepperoni with turkey on a little shish kebab, and he'll have crackers, and I forgot his ranch dip, so I have to put that in there. And Damara will have her flavored water, and she'll have these mini churro dips with some caramel sauce. So Damara will have her cotton candy grapes, her Ritz crackers, and then she'll have this ham with bacon, cheese, lettuce with Italian dressing. And that is what they will have for lunch today. Okay guys, it's Friday and we're back to see what they're taking in their lunch today. Tomorrow's just going to take a light lunch, and it's kind of a repeat of stuff because I'm trying to use up stuff that I had already bought them for the lunch for the week. So she's just going to have grapes, the rest of the pepperoni. She's going to take these chocolate covered mini Oreos and the rest of her water. Damarion's just going to have a bagel, a cinnamon raisin bagel with cream cheese and these little apple iced cookies, some cucumbers with his ranch dip, some grapes, and his yogurt. And he will have his little water bottle. I haven't fixed it yet, so we'll see what they eat when they get back. Okay guys, we're back and we're going to see what Damarion ate today.
I want to open it!
Hold on. So he did not eat the cucumbers or his ranch. He didn't eat the bagel, but he ate his yogurt, his fruit, and what did you have here? Oh, his oatmeal cookies. So today I guess he didn't do too well. Maybe he wasn't too hungry. But we will see. At Damara's, she didn't, well, she went to school, but she went home with her friend. So her lunchbox is at school. But she said that she did eat everything. So we'll just take her word for it. And we'll see you guys.